Haha! Hello, my viewers. Today I'll speak about how you know your potential. How do you utilize your potential? Those are the things I want us to speak on today. How do you know your potential? Potential is something that you are able to do. It is your ability to do things in your own way and in your own methods. Your capability is different. We are not gifted the same way. How do you know your potential? You know your potential by doing your own self-analysis of the things that you love to do, of the things that you are able to do, and how far you can go and to get something done. Your potential will enable you to know how innovative you can be in solving your issues. Your potential is what makes you. It is important to define ways of building your potential in life. Your potential is unique, not like anybody else's. You build it by yourself. Nobody can do it for you. Yes, you go to school, you learn, you go to classroom, the teacher teaches you, but there are those things in life that you have to do so that you may apply what you've learned in school or even in the outside world. Those are the things that make you successful in life through your abilities and the unique ways of doing your things. My viewer, if you have not subscribed to my channel, click the notification bell down there. Subscribe. Let us learn together. In this video, I want you to tell me through the comments what are the things that you've learned, what are the things that you see are challenges in your life that limit your potential. Those things that limit your potential are the things that you should work on. See the problems that you encounter as you do things your own way. Those things that limit your success, those are the things that you need to work on. My viewer, know your potential, identify your potential, know your weaknesses and work on them. Know your strengths and build them. Your weaknesses are the things that bring you down, those shortfalls, those things that make you fail. My viewer, remember, it is only through trying that you get to where you are. You cannot realize your potential if you're only seated there. You will realize your potential as you try, keep trying and work on your potential. Thank you for viewing. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.